Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if GoDaddy is still the best web hosting for beginners in 2025 or if you're better off starting somewhere else. GoDaddy in 2025 remains one of the easiest ways to get online fast, especially for beginners, with its all-in-one dashboard, domain, and email setup, drag and drop website builder, 24/7 support, and affordable starter plans. Plus, it now includes better uptime, automatic backups, and improved WordPress hosting performance. But while it's convenient, the app sells slower advanced features, and higher renewal pricing might make growing user consider switching down the line. So it's best for anyone just starting out who wants quick results without too much technical hassle. That's the full review. Launch easy, grow smart, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips.